Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove objects from video. This is the CapCut tutorial. So let's get started. If you use CapCut as your video editor and you want to remove one of your objects, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is tap on your one of your projects. So let's start from video from library here. So I want to remove or hide or cover the apple, the green apple up there. And try to use a duplicate, and on the first video make overlay. This overlay is done. So tap on the first video here, or the second, sorry, the bottom one, the overlay, and use mask. Here you can use the circle. Try to adjust the size on the blank space right here. And you can tap this if you're done, and try to hide, cover the apple here. So let's see. As you can see, the apple is gone, is covered by the mask. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.